Today we'll be making beef tips with gravy. First, peel the onion and dice it. Now prepare your meat by cutting it in bite-sized chunks. To get the sauce ingredients ready, get 2 cups of water. And 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. And 1/4 cup of soy sauce. For the seasoning, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt. Now take everything to the stove. Heat a couple tablespoons of oil in the pan, then saute some onions. After a couple of minutes, put in the beef and brown on all sides. After it gets brown, add in the seasoning and sauce ingredients. Turn up the heat and bring to a boil. Once it starts to boil, turn the heat down, cover, and let it simmer for 1 hour. Stir occasionally. Halfway through the cooking time, add 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water into the rice cooker. At the end of the cook time, take a packet of brown gravy. Use 1 cup of water. Pour the gravy into the pot and turn the heat up. While stirring constantly, bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, turn the heat low and let it simmer for a minute. Fluff the rice. And add a scoop to your plate. Now use the ladle to scoop the meat and gravy beside the rice. Or on top of your rice. Now enjoy your beef tips with gravy. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe and comment down below if you would like to suggest the next video.